Alright people, we are back with another one today, and we're trying out something new with the mic. Not really anything new or game changing, but yeah, it's something that I don't think it's going to do anything for us. I don't think it's going to help, and it's basically like a, you shit me? Basically just a mic cover thing to blur out noise, but it won't help. I know it won't, but that's for you to find out. Isn't that right? Indeed it is. See if we can get this baby to start today on every time. Apparently my man owns a lot of property. 210 acres, what y'all think? Probably owns like the entire woods, probably? I don't know, dude's crazy. I mean, there's no way you own 210 acres. I'm sure if something ever happens and he wants to tell me again, then he probably will. As you can see, it's the same trail today, of course, because you know, I'm probably just going to have to make up a bunch of paths if I ever want to, you know, ride on something new. It's very wet today, very wet indeed. So I don't think you know the only way the way I like to clean off my bike is by taking it to the creek. So yeah, I don't know that we'll be doing that today because of old turd head wants to be a butthole and not want me to come do this properly that I was on yesterday apparently. So we won't do that. We're going to have to just use the old water hose or something. Oh shit. See how muddy it is? Freaking slipping and sliding. I didn't even want to go this way. I was trying to change lanes. I don't know when this video that I'm recording right here is going to be uploaded, but it will definitely be sometime after the next, like a week or so after the latest one I just uploaded with old Grumpy Butt. Yeah, actually I have some other trails for you guys to see today. Not very many. I guess we can go past the field this time. If we go past the field, then that will be something new, right? Yeah, you're right. Oh, that's right. Yes, I am right. Yeah. Everyone remembers this, don't we? Yeah, we do. We don't need to speak about it. Not to speak about it. I wonder what will happen if I turn my bike off today. Woo! Man, everyone loves a nice hill climb, am I right? Oh, yes. That gets the blood pumping. Gets the blood pumping. I think the idle screw needs turned up on my bike. Seems to be the problem right now. It just sounds weird at times. but it just sounds like it wants to shut off when it's idling, so we'll figure that out, I'm sure. Because no one likes a crappy running bike, am I right? Yeah. No one likes that. And there's always stuff you can fix. Always got tweak with stuff, you know. That's what we gotta do. Can't, oh my god, it's so muddy. See, these look like some nice hills to hit right here. One of these, you know, make a path somewhere. Let me fix the camera real quick. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Let me fix it one more time. Fix it one more time. Okay. And we're stalled.
12 seconds later.
Idle screw, definitely need turns up, I think. I did have a problem where it was too high. So, you know, the bike won't make up its mind. Oh, this is muddy. It is muddy back here. I wish it would get dry. Ride how I want to. Because right now we ain't riding like... It just spins everywhere. Why does this look cleared out for? Let's have at it, boys. Oh. Whoa. It's pretty muddy, I tell you that. They got their little chihuahuas barking at me down there. They'll probably, who's on my property? And start coming up here or something. I guess that's what we'll be known for, is the property boy. I'm just trying to ride, you know. Alright, well, I'm back after a little bit of a break, and I ain't gonna lie, my hand's hurting pretty bad, so I think what I'm gonna do is just gonna head back to the house, clean this baby up. As you can see here, the plastic popped out. Everything else looks fine though. And I tore my glove, or not my freaking glove, the grip. That sucks. If I felt like riding still, I would, but my hand's pretty cramped, freaking hurting pretty bad, so I say we just go home and wash his bike up a little bit. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. If you watch the videos every time I upload, I thank you very much. It means a lot. If you guys have any suggestions on anything that I should do, or just anything, feel free to comment down below. I mean, really anything. It doesn't matter. And I want to hear what y'all have to say, so talk to me. What the comments are for. Never catch a break with the wetness. Never dry. Yesterday is probably like the driest day in a while, to be honest. I mean, it really hasn't been that dry in a long time. Well, we did adventure somewhere new today, so there's that. But if y'all enjoyed this video today and me wrecking and falling over a rock and freaking messing my hand up, then leave a like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one, and I think I'm going to put a time lapse of me washing my bike off this time. So if y'all want to see that, stay tuned. If not, you can leave, I don't care. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all in the next one.